up retirement package. See this? This thing right here connects to this phone right here. So you guys complain about the wind noise, so I can be far away from the camera, still listening to the same sound. So that's the improvement. So today we are going to take this engine apart. And, let me show you the workplace. Oh, look at that smooth action. Okay, here is our general mechanical tool bags with some improvements add on. We've got some new tools, since we do have some new tools. Let me just lay them out so you can see it. In fact, I'm not even gonna move this, so this is gonna be where it's at for the remaining of the video. All right, got some new tools. Remember, this used to have a red handle? Now it's black. Remember, I used to have a set of screwdrivers, blue. Now it's yellow. Remember this? This used to be a little bit thinner. Now it's big. I remember remember I used to have a different, well, I still have the other one. Right here. Where is it at? It's always here somewhere. Ah, there it is. But I now carry this because I get more grip power with this one. I'm gonna use it later on. Remember my my needle nose plier? I got it longer so it can get the job done. Right? And I got this add-on on it. Right? I got these fill gauge. And got rulers, spark plug boots. So yeah, I have heard people complaining about the bike's original tools. I mean, you have to be a noob to complain about it. You know that it's just a guide. You're not supposed to use it, right? But yeah, so these are mechanical tools. That's my new electrical tools. Oh, you got a multi-tool right here, but a real mechanic doesn't use multi-tools. It's only for electricians. But just in case, I got that one for general tools. And I got another multi-tool. All right, that's just for in case. The only reason why I bring this bag out is because of my pen. I'm gonna need that. Why shouldn't I just bring the pen? Well, let's just say I need to use a flashlight. Also got it too. Let's just say I need to use my blower. Also got it too. Let's just say I need to use one of those long screwdrivers. Got it too. And then you got here. Oh yeah. You got here my drill. Why I bring this drill out instead of the impact? Well, I'm not gonna be impacting anything. I'm just gonna crack open and then drill out. So we got the tool set. I expect to take out the engine from this side for some oil to leak on that one. I do expect to put some parts here, or if I really have to, I'm gonna cut this thing out. See, all these are gonna have parts in them. But yeah. And then later on, after I remove the engine, I have to take out the flywheel. Is it the flywheel? Yeah, I have to take out the flywheel on the left. That's gonna be a pain in the ass without the right tools. So I have a gear stopper I'm gonna use on the right. Right? Coolant is drained. The oil is drained at its max, but there's still oil in the bike. So that's what this is for. And then I'm gonna throw this away afterward. That's about it. All right, let's get cracking.